All right. Open leads and how to manage the leads. So we're going to go ahead and log in under Joe Fusco's account. Cash offers. Invest out of the account. ABC123. Remind and then sign in. So now this is Joe's account, Joe Fusco. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and um, look at the tasks that are going to be coming in. So this is a CRM system. You will see here the tasks that are coming in based on the amount of dates. Here's your dashboard view. And what we're going to do is we're going to see the applicants that come in through our website. So the form that we're going to be getting the leads through is coming in as the real estate acquisition manager. So when the users come in here and press apply, then they go to this form here, the acquisition manager intake questionnaire. This is the data that is going to be coming across and that you're going to see in the open leads module here. So let's go back to here. All right. So now the leads, you want to come in here, and the entire system has about 2,400 leads. And one of the things we obviously want to do is look at the leads that are relevant. So the first thing we need to know is what type of leads that we're managing. And in this case, we are looking for lead type. So what we're doing here is we're setting up a filter since we are looking at the entire database of 2,400 contacts. So we're going to add a filter, and we want to filter by type. You notice this is the type here, and it's the acquisition manager applicants that we're looking for. So we're going to do type, and then it's acquisition manager job applicants 2015, and we're going to save. So now we got 155 applicants, and we want to do a little bit more filtering. So it gives you here the name, their address, and when the lead was added. We're going to do a little bit more filtering here. So let's look at an application here. So as you recall, these are all the questions that we asked in that form. So you got the basic information, phone number, email, address. Then the custom fields that we created. It tells us a little bit about their information. So the best thing to do is once you're talking to them, go ahead and the system asks them to go ahead to send you a resume. Once you get a resume, what you want to do is you want to come in here and save it in the file for this particular property person. You're going to add attachments, you choose the file, the basic way you would find any document, and then just upload it and save it, and it's going to show here, and you'll be able to click on it and see it. So this is the history of everything that you've done on this lead. The other thing you want to do is you want to kind of have a lead status so you know where you are with this particular lead. So this is already set up, the lead status, right? So the status is somebody that is warm, that's an employee opportunity. We're missing a resume, and this is standard for all the leads that come in new. The system automatically maps this. So it is up to you to change depending on the process stage that you're with this individual lead. So if you click here, 0% completion, we're missing a resume. If you upload the resume, then you change it to upload the resume. If you have reviewed and rated the resume, then you click that. Then you request appointment by phone and essentially walk through all the steps The good part is that you are able to see what stage you're on each of the um, leads, and you don't have to go into each of the leads. And we're going to go ahead and create that filter here in a minute. The other thing you want to do is rate this individual person, and by doing this, you're going to have to add a new field. And the way you add a new field to an existing lead that you're reviewing is go to this section here. It says attach more fields. And now what we want to do is attach a field that is relevant and important. Click that. And now we're looking at this field, and we want to go ahead and rate this person. So if you notice here, we have a pre-existing field that's called experience related to position from 1 to 10. So you're going to click that. And now that option is here. And you're going to be able to then give this person an experience related to position number from 1 to 10. So say, for example, this is a 5. And we're going to do this just as a test. And we're going to save it. Oops, it's only allowing me to do a number. So let's do a 5. Actually, let's do a 15. Just so when we see a 15, it's not, we know it's an off number. So now we got a couple things. So how do we want to filter these people? We're going to go back to the leads. We know they are filtered and they have one set of filters. So we want to add a couple of things here to the lead views so it's easier to find these people, right? We don't care about their address, and we got another option. So first one we're going to go out is going to make a change here, and you can custom change this by clicking here. So we're going to click here, and now we're going to look for the field that is relevant. And the first thing we want to do is look at the stage, right? So now you see that all these people are missing resumes. And then we also want to add another custom field, that the one that we created. And it's going to be under the fields, general fields, but this being a custom field, so we have to look for it in the custom field section. And the one that we're looking for is experience related to position. And what that's going to do is going to help us see all the people that are we're looking for, and you see what their staging is, so it's easier to find them, right? So this is the guy that we rated 15, and we have a resume. So when this way, you can use this to sort these people. So basically, everybody here is missing a resume, and nobody here has been rated according to their position. Actually, yeah, there's a couple of ratings, right? And if you notice here, they got a possible candidate uploaded. So this is a good way to do that. So now what we're going to do is we're going to save this view. And by saving this view, you're saving not only this particular filter that is specific to the type of lead, but also this 2 custom views related to the each of the fields. So it's an easy way for us to know who we talk to and where we are with each individual. So let's save this view, right? And the custom view is going to be called ON, and we're going to call this ON job uh, view. Simple as that. We're going to save it, and that's been saved here. So now, if we were to clear this filter, and we're back to the 2400 leads with the full address and added and the missing custom. So when the person comes in here under Joe Fusco's account, we can simply come in here. We have all leads view. We can come in here and do ON job views, and the system automatically is going to take us to this section. Uh, and that's the way that we are going to go ahead and manage the leads.